welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day, and I'm super excited. We have another Simply Earth oil to open, and I love this. I got the peppermint last month. Love it, love it, love it. It is just amazing. The quality of the oil is fantastic, and just the smell and the, essential oils you could do so many different things with, which is amazing. Whether it be in a diffuser or you topically apply it to yourself, or even there are some that you can put into, meals to receive digestive benefits and things. So there are so many things you can do with essential oils, and I love them. But I wanted to open this, and I did want to remind you guys I do have that code Southern Mom free. If you use the code, you will receive this is with, like, if you sign up, and I think it's like a $39 purchase, you can use my code again, Southern Mom free altogether. It gives you a big bonus box, a DIY essential oil recipe box, and a $20 e-gift card for Simply Earth. So that's pretty awesome. And like I said, their oils are amazing. They are 100% pure oils. They do not add any fillers or anything like that. So I am ready to see what oil I got this month. So we are going to dive in here and open it. Ooh. Oh, and another thing that I like about Simply Earth is that 13%? Yes, 13% of their profits, or 13% of every purchase, goes to end human trafficking. So not only are the oils amazing or anything like that, but I love companies that give back, especially to, such important cause and mission. So that is super fantastic, and I am so excited. They did send me peppermint again, which I love. This is absolutely my favorite oil. This bottle is a little bit bigger, I think. This one might be a little bit bigger. This is the 15 milliliter. But you guys, I'm telling you, these oils are so amazing, and I'm so excited that I got peppermint again because, like I said, it is my absolute favorite. It is great for nasal congestion, obviously. It is great if you actually just want to rub a little on your temples, if you have a headache. There's just so many benefits for the peppermint. It just, to me, when it's, I diffuse it in I have a diffuser that's in my kitchen, and my kitchen kind of opens to our living room, dining room. We have like a big open floor plan. So I have it positioned in the kitchen to where it kind of is in the center and it reaches everywhere. And it just, when I have it going, the smell it just permeates the entire house, and it's just amazing. I have purchased oils from Amazon, other places, and I can tell you that nothing compares to this oil right here. It's just that good. So definitely, if you want to try some new essential oils, I highly recommend Simply Earth. And like I said, I have that code to get you the free big bonus box, the essential oil DIY kit, and then the $20 e-gift card. So you get some great bonuses. So again, Southern Mom free is that code. If you would like to sign up, I will put the link below. Otherwise, I just wanted to share and open which one I got this month, which I'm super excited, again, like I said, was peppermint. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will see you guys with the next video. Bye.